welcome to my channel, Cozy Loop Crochet. Today's project is making a pot holder, and this is relatively easy to make, so it's a perfect project for beginners. Here I have some finished products, and these are different. These two are same size, and this is a little bigger size. Today we're gonna do this smaller one. And for the material for this project, I'm using this yarn Peaches and Cream. The color is gold or ORO, and for the hook size is 5 millimeter, but I'm using 2 strands for this project to make it sturdy. And we are using this 100% cotton yarn, because if your pot is very hot, it's not gonna melt. And the other materials you need is your hook. On the yarn it says 5 millimeter, but I'm using 575. You can go even higher, maybe 6.5 millimeter, but since I like it to be sturdy, I'm using 575. And also needle yarn for hiding your yarn at the end. Also 1 pair of scissors. So that's all we need. Let's get started. Okay, these are my 2 strands, and I'm gonna make a slip knot. This is how I'm making it. There are a lot of other ways to do it, so you can do it any way you want it. This is my slip knot, and I'm gonna make 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 17 and 18. I'm showing you here moss style. I need to have slip stitch and half double crochet, one after the other. So here we go. First one, not on the very first chain, on the second chain you're gonna have slip stitch. Okay, and next is half double, again slip stitch, half double, and one after the other until we get to the end. So I show you when we are there. Here we have 2 chains left. One is half double, and the last one is slip stitch. So we're starting with slip stitch and ending with slip stitch. Okay, and here before returning, we're gonna do 1 chain in here. On the second row, we're gonna do exact same thing. Slip stitch first, and half double. Okay, continue to the end, exact same thing. Before turning, we add 1 chain. And for this size 18 chains, we need 20 rows. But if you just miscalculating, or if you're not counting, there is a way to find out if you are reaching that point or not. If you fold this and try to make a triangle, and your triangle, if it's the same size, you're gonna be and you have two triangles same size on the borders. That's gonna be square, and you open it, it's a square. Let's say you have something like this. This means that you need to have another row. That's one way. Another way is to just mark it in here and then count the rows to 20 rows. And let's do ours to 20 rows, and I'm gonna get back and show you how to do the borders and how to do hanging loop. See you soon. Okay, I'm back here. I'm done with my 20 rows. And as I mentioned before, when I fold this, I'm gonna make two equal triangle piece, and this means that this is a square. Okay, now if I have to do one chain in here, and as I mentioned, if you like to have borders, I'm going to show you how to do it. If not, you can just in here make the hanging loop by doing 10 chains and tie it up on the same chain. But let's go and do the border. And for that, we're going to start in here with single crochet. We're going to do single crochet all around 4 areas, and on the corners we're going to do 2 single crochets on each corner. Okay. Okay, so for here we're going to do single crochets one after the other. Okay, I'm getting close to this corner in here. And a little tight in here. And on this one, I'm gonna do 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Okay, and just keep continue evenly making single crochet all around for the borders. Okay. Okay, so far so good. This is our corner in here. Another corner. Okay, so I meet you. I'm gonna go all around single crochets. 2 single crochet on this corner, and going all the way. I have 2 more borders, 2 more sides for this border, and I'm gonna meet you right in here. Okay, I'm back in here, and I have done my single crochet border all around. You may see this, and now I'm gonna do the hanging loop by chaining 10 in here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and if you want to make it a smaller size, 8 is enough. You can pull it together and tie it, pull the yarn from the same place. Okay, here is my 10 chains, and I'm gonna close it up by slip a stitch on the same spot. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Here you are. All right, and here I'm gonna just do one chain and cut the yarn. I'm gonna leave a little in here so that I can hide it. This is good. Okay, keep it tight. And here you go. I think you can use this as a coaster also. So we're gonna hide these yarn in here with our needle. Do the same thing with this yarn in here. Okay, and that's it. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and you can follow me on my Instagram account, which is Cozy Loop Crochet, and let me know in your comments that if you like any of my work that I can do as a project and show you how I'm doing it. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my video.